Hello guys, hello. I just wanted to ask you this question. Do you begin your day by asking your own decision whether to take your kids to park or do your chores first or leave all that to weekend because you're busy in your 9 to 5 grind? Don't worry, I was in the same boat as well until September 2019. I missed all the important milestones of my girls. I was exhausted. One day I even noticed the school ground was moving under my feet after drop off. I knew it wasn't due to the ground but me feeling dizzy in my own body. I'm hypothyroid, but I know it wasn't due to that. It was from the excessive rushing to drop kids to school, rushing to traffic, rushing to the bus stop to make it on work on time. And rushing wasn't enough. It never was. You'll know if you yeah. So all these heartbreaking moments kept on happening, and I knew until I change what I do, these things will keep on repeating. After 10 months into this business as a digital entrepreneur, I'm able to take everything under control. I'm able to wake up and make my own decision whether to work on my business or bake or play with my kids. I'm able to enjoy this, and knowing how it was to be in 9 to 5 life, I'm hoping to share this with as many people as possible to help all those busy parents or people to make that shift. I encourage you to watch this live webinar which I started and has no cost involved. Details given in my text there, but watching live matters because you can get all your questions answered in live and make an educated decision which matters the most, right? So I hope to talk to you soon, and thank you all for watching. See you on the inside.